Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to get your ex back with law of attraction in 5 steps. So if you like the video related to manifestation power, I would like to request you all please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. How to get your ex back with law of attraction in 5 steps. Wondering if you can get your ex back by using the law of attraction? The answer is yes. Even though you may not always be aware of it, you are constantly manifesting your reality. The law of attraction states that like attract like the law of gravity. The law of attraction is a law of universe that is always in action. Without exception, you will always attract into your life whatever you give your energy, focus, and attention to. Of course, this law will apply to romantic relationship. Keep reading below to learn how to get your ex back with the law of attraction 5 steps. The universe always responds. The universe is always responding to your energy whether you are aware of it or not. When you are sending out low vibe energy into the universe, you will attract negative outcome. But when you send out high vibe energy into the universe, you will attract the outcomes you desire. Without exception, the universe will deliver you people, experiences, and outcomes that match your vibrational frequency. The step 1. Clarify why you want to get your ex back. The first step to manifesting your ex using the law of attraction is to clarify what you want and why you want it. Your thought and belief are like a magnet, and according to the like attract like principle, you all attract experiences that match it. So you need to have absolute clarity over what do you want to manifest it. Grab a journal and write down your ex name and why you want to get it back together. The why here is important because it will dictate whether you will attract positive or negative experiences. If the person you want to get your ex back is backed by negative energy like loneliness and desperation, then you will attract more negative outcome. Instead, you want the reason you want your ex back to be backed by positive intention like happiness and joy so you can attract a loving relationship. Another name for the universe is love because love is the highest vibrational energy you can be in. When your desire is backed by love, the universe is bound to respond by bringing more loving experiences into your life. Step 2. Visualize as if you are back together with your ex. Your energy creates your reality, therefore it is important to remember that is your feeling that attract when it comes to manifestation. Out of all the manifestation technique available, the best way to get into the feeling of reuniting with your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend is through visualization. For this exercise, go somewhere quiet where you can be alone with no disturbance. Take deep breath and picture in your head how you will feel when you are finally back with your ex. Visualize your ex face, name, personality, and good memories. Anything that will help you to get into the feeling of being with him or her again. Once you have a strong mental picture of your ex, you should shift your focus to the good feelings this bring you. You all want to focus on high vibe feelings such as happiness, joy, and love. Refer to the emotional guidance scale to find out how emotions correspond to vibration. When you feel happy, joyful, and in love, you will attract experiences that match your energy according to the law of attraction. Step 3. Witness your limiting belief. The third step is to witness your limiting beliefs that are in your way to manifesting limiting belief or the negative belief that constrain your life. Limiting belief block your law of attraction power because they drag you down towards negative energy, and when you are in state of negativity, you all attract negative outcomes. Some common limiting belief when you are trying to manifest a lover are I am terrible at relationship. I am going to be alone forever. I always sabotage my relationship. I'll never find true love. He or she does not love me. He or she does not want to talk to me. He or she does not want anything to do with me. He or she has moved on to someone else. One thing that's common in all of these limiting beliefs is they're all false. These beliefs only exist in your mind as a result of your past experience to protect yourself from pain in the future. The first step to getting rid of your limiting belief is to acknowledge them. By witnessing them, you will be able to recognize that they are not true and take action to eliminate them from your life. Honor yourself for having the strength to witness your limiting belief instead of running from them. Trust that if you were not ready to face your limiting belief about your relationship, you would not have even read this blog post. By choosing to search for a post like This you unconsciously said you are ready to heal and you are ready to be free. Step 4. Use affirmation for love. Once you have identified your limiting belief, a good way to get rid of them is to use affirmation. Affirmation are positive phrases or statements used to challenge negative thought. Use affirmation to gently replace your negative thought with high vibe energy to recite your affirmation while maintaining the energy you cultivated in step 2. To get started, select any of the following affirmation for love that resonate with you and use them to combat negative thoughts. I am lovable and worthy of receiving love. I open my heart and trust that true love will arrive. I know that my soulmate is waiting for me. I draw love and romance into my life with ease. I trust the universe will find me my perfect match. I trust that my intuition will lead me to where I need to go. Now is the right time and place to meet my perfect partner. Every experience I have is bringing me closer to my soulmate. I'm attracting a relationship based on love, honesty, and respect. I'm attracting love and romance into my life, and I accept it right now. You can also try writing affirmation for yourself. No one knows you and your circumstances better than you. The most powerful affirmation are the affirmation you write for yourself. Step 5. Let the universe do its thing. The final step is to step back and let the universe do its thing. Many people mess up at this stage because they are not willing to let go of their desired outcome. This leads to negative emotions like fear, which throws you out of alignment with the universe. The biggest lesson here is to be patient and simply trust that the universe has your back, even though your ex may not manifest as quickly as you have hoped or in the way you expect. Trust that the universe plan always exceed your and will always lead to the highest good. Keep using these 5 steps to maintain your high vibrational energy and you are bound to attract loving experiences into your life. While you are waiting for your manifestation, you can use these prayers to the universe to detach from the outcome and stay aligned with the universe. So that's all about the manifestation in this video. I hope you all liked it. For all of you, I prepared a small presentation that will be going to share in the description box below. You can check it out from there. So before signing off, I would like to request you all please to like, share, subscribe this video with your loved one so that they will get to know better. So this is Carrie Anderson signing off. We will definitely meet in the next video with my other content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.